Or I want to go this way. Those people are going that way. You want to go this way?
Yeah, I'm already
Okay. We're really high up, though. They all lead to the same place? Oh, my God. You want me to go through this stuff? This is crazy. Those people had no problem getting to the top. We're going the wrong way. Come on. Come back this way. Let's go. I don't want to lose you.
Who?
You.
Just come up. Come on.
This way?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, my Lord. Straddling. Oh, jeez. Oh, my Lord. Ducking. Ducking, ducking. My God.
Ducking, Jesus.
I think we went the wrong way. Whoa. Oh, this rock is... Whee! Whoa! That rock was wobbly. Probably going to end up with poison. Oh, there's a hole. Hope nothing lives in there.
Daddy pissed her.
My Lord. Downhill. Whew. Uphill. I really think you went the wrong way.
Yeah, we're going right to here. I see where we're going to go. Let's just run up by it, that's all.
Why don't you like this one? I'm scared we're going to cause an avalanche.
Yeah, that's good.
I thought you were falling. Whoa, I just slipped. So why are you going downwards? Yeah, it does look like an avalanche is going to happen. Whew. No wonder we brought a drink. Dylan, just be careful. Whoa. Those people have been at the top of the mountain since I started the video. We have to be difficult. I think we're almost there. Ow! Being attacked. Oh, something just flew in my ear. Oh my goodness, Daddy. We went to the same place those other people went. Just a harder way.
Yep.
Oh my Lord. How am I going to get around this? Oh, trolls live in that hole, I bet. Oh, man. Oh. one's at the top. I'm coming, buddy. We came the wrong way. 5 minutes and 30 seconds ago, we seen you go up the easy way. What am I supposed to do here? This is a scary way, too, by the way. Almost there. I'm going to sell this video to Discovery Channel. I'm world's dumbest. That's better. Oh, you okay?
I'm fine. Sounds cliff near there. I just think.
All that work for this. Okay. Is that a soda opening up? Because I'm thirsty.
How much speed are we up? Dad?
I don't know. Maybe there's something in my phone that'll tell us.
It's like 1,000 something.
Anybody get any reception up here on the phone?
It's 1,100 feet.